Join hands and let us stand firm in the interests of our country. Finally, we have said that we are not doing this because of any weakness on our side. We are only saying that Kenya is bigger, and that's why we are saying that we want to engage. Nobody should mistake this as a sign of weakness. We have embraced these talks before, but there must be talks which are going to be held with equal respect, mutual respect, and also with time in line with the law. The Kenya Kwanza have been saying we cannot do something outside the constitution and the laws. No law actually stops a dialogue outside parliament. In fact, we have had this before. When we are in a crisis, we had talks held at Serena Hotel, chaired by even a foreigner. Those talks were not considered to be illegal or unconstitutional. In the end, the product was taken to Parliament and approved unanimously by members of Parliament. We are in a similar situation here today. The police have shown complete disregard to the lives of our people. Many innocent Kenyans have died. Last week I visited Kenyans in hospitals, Bangati Hospital and Kenyatta Hospital. Young people shot by the police. Their only crime was that they were participating in a demonstration which was illegal because the police had been notified. A young man in Kisumu was knocked by police as a police officer. That young man who was knocked in Kisumu, just for the understanding of everybody around here, is my nephew. Actually, not my nephew, my grandson. His mother is my niece. I'm the one who actually recruited him to take him to the police. Then they go and arrest innocent people and charge them with murder. The other Kenyans, journalists, just basically accompanying us when we were demonstrating, have been shot, some of them very seriously wounded by the police. Nothing has happened. So we have said as a meal that we are going to take this matter to the highest court in the world. Already our lawyers are working on this, and we are going to take the particulars of all those police officers who have been involved in deliberate shooting and killing or maiming innocent Kenyans to a court which is outside our jurisdiction as a people, to ensure that justice is achieved. But they can come with live bullets. They can come with bombs. We will go and confront them in the name of the Lord and the God of Kenya. And we are sure, like the biblical David will confront Goliath, and we know what will happen to Goliath. So we, therefore, want to thank all of you for coming. Tunatoa shukrani sana kwenu kwa kutualika sisi kama wanazimio kuja kusikia. Tumesikia yale mnayosema yote na tutayabeba. Lakini vile vile tunasema Wakenya hawezi kutishwa. Wakenya watasimama imara. Wakenya wataendelea. Sasa tumekubali mazungumzo ziendelee, lakini mimi nakubaliana na pendekezo ambayo imetoka hapa siku ya leo. Ati mazungumzo yaendelee, mazungumzo yaendelee na maandamano sambamba. Dawa ya moto ni? Dawa ya moto ni? Kwa hivyo sisi tutaendelea. Tutaendelea. Sitaendelea. tunangoja Ramadhani ishi. Ramadhani kisha namna hii tutatangaza. Tutatangaza. Na mtaitika. 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 Tulikuwa naimba namna hii. Nikiitwa mtaitika. Nikiitwa mtaitika. Nikiitwa nitaitika. Kupambana kwa Afrika. Oh, kupambana, kupambana, kupambana kwa ukombozi. Oh, kupambana, kupambana, kupambana kwa ukombozi. Azimio. Azimio. Asante sana.
Niombe sote tusimame kwa wimbo wa taifa utakaoashiria mwisho wa hafla yetu ya siku ya leo. Kofia zisizo rasmi niombe zisalie kuvuliwa. Wimbo wa taifa. Asante. Mkono wa rehema uwe juu yako, kinara wetu mpendwa, na tupatie viongozi wetu nafasi ya kuondoka mwendo wa aste aste.